Hi everyone! Massive shout out to Igor Bogdanov for leaking some spicy new images of the GoPro Max 2. These shots are loaded with details, and I'm hyped to break it all down for you. Let's dive into what makes this camera a game changer. Now let's be real, the 2025 Max refresh was a snooze. It was basically the 2019 model with a slight glow-up. But the Max 2, it's a whole different beast. The big win? Centered lenses. That's a massive upgrade for 360 video, making stitching lines cleaner and the invisible selfie stick effect even slicker. The old Max topped out at 5.6K, which feels ancient now. The Max 2 is almost guaranteed to hit 8K, likely with juicier frame rates. And get this, GoPro dropped a hint at an expo about replaceable lenses. That's huge. Scratched lens? No stress, just swap it out and keep rolling. Plus, the design looks like it runs cooler, with visible vents and maybe even exposed internals. If GoPro can match or beat DJI's Osmo 360, this could be a knockout. First up, we've got the Max 2 taking a serious beating from a water blast. Think fire hose level intensity straight from a Ford truck. No housing, no problem. This thing is screaming waterproof warrior. I'm betting it's rated for at least 10 meters, maybe more. GoPro's flexing hard here, showing this cam can handle the wildest conditions. The grip in these shots? It's not your average selfie stick. It's got a rugged ergonomic vibe, way beefier than the usual. Could be an upgraded invisible selfie stick, or maybe something dope like a handle with a built-in battery or a tripod combo built for rough terrain. Whatever it is, it's ready for action. The second image is straight up wild. The background's got this blurry, circular swirl, like the camera or its mount is spinning at ludicrous speed. This screams next-gen stabilization or maybe high frame rate 360 to capture. GoPro's teasing pure chaos, and the Max 2 looks like it's eating it up. Then we've got someone crossing a high ropes course, decked out in a helmet and harness, rocking a GoPro on their head and holding the Max 2. This tells us GoPro's positioning the Max 2 as your sidekick, not your main cam. It's for epic behind-the-scenes shots, environmental captures, or just extra angles to spice up your edits. Oh, and that textured grip shows up again, definitely part of a new accessory kit. These leaks paint a clear picture. The Max 2 is built for creators who want more than just standard shots. It's rugged, versatile, and ready for anything you throw at it. I'm stoked to see where this goes. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you want from the Max 2? That's all for now. Catch you in the next one.